Let's start. Today we will see how to implement a list view Shimmer in Flutter Android. Shimmer layout is a shiny UI component that we show in place of a list view, while the list view is preparing to load itself. This gives the user a perspective that things are getting ready and is a better UI practice than just showing a blank screen. First, I have integrated the Shimmer library in the pubspec.yaml file. Once you have written this library dependency, click the pub get button and let install completely. Now, let's see the main.dart file. First, we import the material.dart package and the shimmer.dart package. Then, we create the stateless widget called myApp in the main function. This is the myApp stateless widget. We create a material app and apply a theme in the build function. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called myHomePage. This is the myHomePage stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _myHomePageState. This is _myHomePageState class. Here we will design our app. First, we have a list of strings as a data member. Here we have a list of ABCD alphabets. We will use this list to populate the list view. Then we have some data members that define attributes of the Shimmer layout, like, is Shimmer enabled, its colors, etc. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget. We have used the title variable as the title of this app bar. The body attribute is set to the listview.builder widget. The item count is set to the number of items in the ABCD alphabet list. Inside the item builder, we design how an individual item of the list view would look like. First, we check if the is Shimmer enabled variable is true or false. It is true by default, so we call the show Shimmer layout function. If the variable is false, we call the draw a row item widget. Then, we also have a floating action button. When we press this button, we can turn on and off the is Shimmer enabled variable. So by pressing this button we can enable or disable the Shimmer layout. This is the show Shimmer layout function. Here we call the shimmer.fromColors widget. Here we set the base color and highlight color of the shimmer. The child attribute is set to the draw a row item widget. This is the draw a row item stateless widget. Here we will design the UI of a single row of the list view. Here we have a card widget. And inside that, we have a text widget. The value of the text widget comes from the ABCD alphabets list. Since we had to draw this same UI 2 times, when Shimmer is on, and when Shimmer is off, therefore we have created this common widget called draw a row item. So that we have to design this part of the UI only once. Let's run the app. As you can see, while the list view gets loaded, we can have such a Shimmer layout going on. Now when I press the blue floating action button, I can turn this Shimmer layout on and off. So that's it. That's how you can create a list view with Shimmer in Flutter Android. Thank you.